Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing Xvast and signing in. This gives you profile sync and extensions right away. Once installed, create or sign into your account so bookmarks, passwords, and settings move with you. Make sure to set your default search engine and import bookmarks now to avoid later interruptions. Choosing privacy options early reduces tracking and improves performance. It's faster to adjust these once during setup than piecemeal later. Now move to customizing the UI and extensions. Once done with basic sign-in, customize Xvast so it fits your workflow. Change theme, new tab content, and privacy levels to balance speed versus tracking. Install essential extensions like ad blocking, password managers, and a VPN plugin. These extend security and convenience. Make sure to pin frequently used tabs and set up separate profiles or workspaces for different tasks so cookies and histories stay organized. If an extension misbehaves, disable it first to test impact before removing it. To finish, verify sync is active so your bookmarks, history, and passwords appear on other devices. This saves time and prevents duplication. Do a quick performance check. Use the task manager and disable heavy extensions if memory or CPU spikes. Make sure pop-up blockers and site permissions match your needs versus a strict block that breaks sites. If pages fail to load, clear cache and cookies, toggle privacy shields off briefly, and reset site permissions. This often fixes the issue immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.